Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an Excel to Microsoft Word database workflow automation where we are generating the multiple documents using the pivot table selection using the Excel. So let me go step by step. So once you'll be receiving this file, you might see some error while you open it. So you need to do it, go to the right click on the file, go to the properties. Here you will see an unblock checkbox. You need to click on that unblock checkbox, apply and OK. Once you'll do that, once you'll open file, you might see an error like this, which is saying enable editing. So you need to click on that and to allow the enable editing. Once done, we'll be good to use this file. Okay, so these are the selections which you can make for the status, cycle, and the script number. You might not use this one because this will always be selected all. So why I'm sharing this. So for example, if you will select only D, it will show you all the available doctors, all the available patients for that particular and the cycle. So currently we have only one doctor, I guess, for this cycle. And for this status, you can select more than one cycle as well. Once selected, you can see the cycle. Let me select all of these. Here you can see cycle has a 1/3 slash. There is a slash in it, and we are using the cycle number as in the Word document, generated Word documents, which is not allowed. So what I'll do, I'll be replacing these slashes with the dash. So let me show you. This is the folder where our source files are located. And once we start generating our document, let me show you. You will see the generated documents in here. So once you are done with the selection, obviously there is a date selection as well, which you can click and drag to select multiple dates. Initially, these drop downs were on the top, but we need to use the status and cycle numbers and the script numbers on the other side at the in a vertical way. So we use this, and this is more user friendly and easy to understand. So which filters are applied and actually which filters through you are working on. So if I'll select only maybe O and cycle 1/3, let's select X. I want to show you with the /1. Okay, here it is. So with the X, we have, let's select these two. All the script numbers are selected. Let me select a lesser range. Okay, so there are less doctors. Let me select all of the range. Okay, cool. So now we have enough doctors so that we can generate. Let me select more cycles. Okay, so I think we have good numbers of doctors so that we can generate good documents. Now, once you are done with the filtering and the selection, you can click on the generate documents and it should start generating the document right away. Okay, so I just edited the original document template name and I added a word template to it so that you can recognize it easily. So that throw an error. So let me run it one more time. So now I'll be running through this again. And here you can see we'll get started. Yeah, great. So we have the new documents generated. Here you can see this is the doctor name, the cycle, and the date. Date is in format DDMM YYYYY. All right. So here you can see there will be, yeah, you can see this one 1-3. So this cycle is basically 1/3, but we cannot use the slash in the file name. So I have replaced it with the dash. So once all the documents are generated, you will see a pop-up. Okay, document generated successfully. And I think it has generated 17 documents in almost 1 minute. Let me open all of these to show you. Okay, so here it is. Here you can see the multiple rows, multiple doctors, multiple patients, and multiple drugs. One doctor, one patient, one drug. Two patients, one each has one drug. One patient has one drug, the other patient has 5. Here you can see one patient, one drug, no script number available. The same patient has another drug with the script number available. So if there is no drug, if a script number is available, you will see a dash in here. Okay. Here you can see another doctor with multiple patients and multiple drugs for each patient. So yep, everything seems okay to me. Please let me know if you need any further assistance or if I miss anything. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.